Hello and welcome. In this YouTube, we're going to cut some bait. I'm going to show you the secrets of some of the best bait techniques I've ever seen in my life, and I personally do this trick when I'm trolling with herring. You take a toothpick and you stick it up the hind side of the bait, and of course we always cut the tail off of our herring. We have discovered with that tail off, the herring will spin faster, and with that toothpick holding the shape that you want, wow, you really can't beat it. Now, the hooks, you can separate them if you want, all the way to have they call a trailing hook, a snagger type hook, but we prefer it tight to the body because they tend to hit that bait head on. And when you work with this type of gear, it's important that you understand about sharp hooks. And I'm going to get my hook sharpener out and show you exactly how I do it. And these hook files are really important. I've seen sandpaper used, but sticky sharp to the nail. I've seen sharpening stones used, but overall, for the ease and simplicity, this type of file that I'm holding in my hand is really a great way to get your hook sharp and keep them sharp so that when you get that big fish on, you don't lose it at the boat. And it's important that you learn how to do it. Now let's talk about bait. I use a sharp pair of scissors, and in these scissors are pieces of bait, herring strips as we call them, and I like to put it on the top hook of my fly or squid, or maybe a white fly over a green glow squid. And one of my favorite areas of a piece of bait is the tail section, and I put that on the top hook. Yeah. Let's get ourselves some fish. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you've just joined us for the first time, I welcome you. Bye-bye, everyone. Be safe out on the water.